Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to use ad comparison filter in Google Analytics 4. Also we will talk about ad filter and what's the difference between ad comparison and ad filter. So first we start with ad comparison. Open any reports. These both filters are available in all reports. I'm using traffic acquisition report. Here you can find your all channels, direct, referral, organic, paid. I have demo account, so I don't have much channels, but to understand how these options works, this is enough. So let's click on add comparison. Here are some inbuilt comparison reports. So you can click on mobile traffic suppose, and you can see that it is providing the mobile traffic and all users data. So 75% we are getting mobile traffic from direct and 25% traffic we are getting from referral for mobile. If you want to add, suppose desktop I want to add, here it is not available desktop, you can create that. So here you can search suppose device category and then exact match and then desktop and apply. So here you can see all three data. So this is how it works. If you want to hide it, you can hide it. If you want to remove it, you can simply click on cross icon. And now let's see how add filter works. Click on add filter and suppose I want to use a country. I want to use contains or exactly match we can use here because there are not much country in this account, and it will provide you only India data because I added a India filter. So if you want to change it, click again on this filter and you can change it Singapore, and then if you want to exclude this, you can exclude and apply. You can use your target country and analyze the traffic using this filter, or only device wise you can check, or you can check by other metrics. Source and medium you can check. You can source or medium you can also add from here. So here you can see source and medium. So I hope you got how we use both filters. If you still have any query, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you so much.